Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, fog lights, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.